Python, the friendly all-rounder. Python reads almost like English. Easy to learn, fun to write, and used everywhere. From AI and automation to websites and even space tech, Python does it all. That's why beginners love it and pros rely on it. Simple, powerful, unstoppable. C, the ancestor of modern coding. C is old but gold. Fast, raw, and super close to the computer's brain. It's the language behind operating systems, databases, and even your favorite games. Learn C once, and every other language starts to make sense. C++, C's powerful upgrade. It adds features like objects and classes, making big projects easier to handle. Used in game engines like Unreal, software like Photoshop, and browsers like Chrome. It's fast, flexible, and built for performance. Java, the workhorse of the programming world. Write once, run anywhere. That's its motto. Used in Android apps, enterprise software, and even Minecraft. It's stable, reliable, and everywhere. If C++ is a sports car, Java's the dependable SUV that never quits. JavaScript. Not Java's cousin, just an internet wizard with the same name. JavaScript makes websites come alive. Buttons, animations, games, you name it. It runs in every browser and powers the modern web. Without it, the internet would just sit there, like a blank page. It's the heartbeat of the web. C#, built by Microsoft and loved by game developers. C# runs the Unity engine, the same one behind thousands of games. It's clean, powerful, and perfect for Windows apps too. Think of it as the bridge between beginner-friendly coding and professional-grade coding. HTML. Not exactly a programming language, more like the skeleton of the web. HTML tells your browser what's what. Titles, images, buttons, paragraphs. It's the structure behind every web page you've ever seen. Without HTML, there's no web, just chaos. CSS. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the style. It decides colors, layouts, fonts, and design. CSS turns dull web pages into something beautiful and smooth. It's not just code, it's digital fashion. So, which language are you learning right now? Python? JavaScript? Or maybe the legendary C++? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech explaining videos.